So, a quick touch base of how the Galaxy Buds Pro have been for me. I've been using them for about 6 months and why you should think twice before buying one of these. So, I'm going to start with what's bad about them and why I don't recommend these for anyone. There's quite a bit good about them. It may be a personal reason, but I found myself dropping them. They're coming out of my ears quite a bit. Not something you want for a £200 earphones. So I'm going to wear them in my ears during this recording, just so maybe I'll capture some of the issues I've had. I'm going to try and not adjust them, so let's see if they fall out while I'm talking. So they've actually managed to stay in throughout this recording, which is quite surprising. I mean, I know if I do a couple of push-ups right now, they will go, but probably so will my arms and my chest and my back. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't do that. When I first tried them, I actually dropped them 3 times on the same day, which was while walking, smiling, or even just talking, which was quite frustrating considering I was out shopping. I have found there's a technique to put it in your ear, and if you follow that guide, then it does improve how well they retain in your ear. However, still find myself adjusting it a lot of the times, which I kind of feel like I need to do right now, but I'm going to leave it. Your average consumer actually reviewed these when they first came out, and he said the same thing, that he found them falling out. However, he found the earbud tips that are provided once he swapped them out for the right ones that fitted his ear, they stopped falling out. I've done the same, it's not working. I can't find the right tip for my ear. I've always had problems with earbuds. If you don't normally have problems with earphones, then actually there's a huge list of reasons to buy these. The feel, the build quality, everything about these earphones is premium. I actually find myself admiring the case sometimes. I think it's so neat. Weirdo. It charges in the case itself, which is a feature I absolutely love. I think that is perfect for wireless technology. It takes my first worry away, which is battery life. Samsung claimed that 5 minutes of charge can give you up to an hour's worth of music playback, which is phenomenal. I've never had to test it. I mean, I always charge the case, and the earphones are always charged when I take them out of my case. So I've never had any problems. I've never had the need to actually charge it for 5 minutes. The magnets that pull your earphones into the case are beautiful. The simple case design, which slips into your pocket, you can literally forget about it until you find one dropping out of your ear. Sound quality wise, I think these earphones are really good. Music playback, phone calls, everything. Do you know what? I've had no problems. I think they actually work really well. I'm using the Galaxy Buds Pro to record this audio, so consider subscribing. I've had the occasional complaint of not hearing clear enough when I'm on a phone call, but personally, I'd say they're good enough. I mean, this video in itself should really tell that. I know when you use one earphone, it's a little bit tricky, but I use that all the time. So if I was walking, that's how I walk. I'm getting tired. No. The ambient sound, or the sound pass-through, is another beautiful feature. Right now I've got them on so I can hear myself talk, or it just helps with the recording, so it's brilliant. So the way the ambient sound works, it actually listens to your environment and amplifies the sound into your ears. It's almost like you're not wearing anything. You can actually turn that up or down. I would suggest leave it to normal because it's just right. It feels a bit natural. If you turn it up, I think it's going to sound like the outside world is trying to get in. Touch sensitivity wise, it's perfect. I've had no issues with it. Literally, it senses it straight away. It's a little bit annoying when you have to keep adjusting your earphones, but you know what? I've grown used to it. It's okay. You can single tap to pause, play, or double tap to go track forward, or triple tap to go track backwards. I think you can customize these in the app, but that's what the default settings are anyway. Now, if touching is something you're uncomfortable with,
say what?
You can turn this off in the app, so, you know, it's best of both worlds, really. They seamlessly connect to your phone or device. as soon as you open the case, they start pairing. I've never had to actually physically change anything or try and connect it. Once paired, every time I open it, it connects to my phone. They are IPX7 rated, waterproof, which is great. You know, if you sweat a lot, if you are brave enough to wear them in the gym, which I wouldn't be, then yeah, they'll be okay. Most of the time you're sweating though, it's probably because they keep falling on the floor. Through the Galaxy Buds Pro app, you can control stuff like noise cancellation, you can control the ambient sound, you can customize your long touch, voice detect feature, which sounds good, but personally I haven't used it. It doesn't really tickle my fancy. Saying all that, I do use these every day now, which is a little bit weird considering I'm not recommending you buy these. One could say I've grown used to using them, so I can feel them falling out, so I'll just adjust them, which is fine. I mean, I have worn them doing a bit of exercise. Sometimes they're actually retaining quite well right now. If Samsung see this, they're just gonna go, what is this guy doing? Subscribe, describe, and share your thoughts. What do you think about these buds? And be a bud, smash that like button. Over and out.